Hello guys, Sammy here. I reviewed loads of electric scooters, and to be honest, I really love some of them. They're portable, affordable, and easy to use. But there are still some good reasons for me to choose an e-bike over e-scooters, especially for this Fiido M1. Let's take a look. The first thing I should say about this Fiido M1 e-bike is that it comes 95% pre-assembled, which means that there is no need to deal with a complicated installation before you can finally take it out for a spin. There is really not much to do on your end. It's just a matter of fitting front tire, seat, and the light. And just in case, I made a detailed installation on Sammy Tech's TV channel, you can check it out. Or you can have it up and running in about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, since it's fully assembled, let's go through the main tech specs real quick, since they're boring. It comes with 250 watt brushless motor, and the max speed is 25 km per hour. The battery is 36 voltage, 12.5 amp hour. It lasts 60 to 80 km on a single charge if on mobile mode. While this, it supports two 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, Shimano external 7-speed gear, dual disc brakes, dual shock absorption, and 3 riding modes. Alright, that's it. For more, you can check out the link from here. For the riding experience, it's really smooth and safe. Due to its dual shock absorption and fat tires design, Fiido M1 can be ridden on virtually any terrain in both wet and dry weather conditions, making it perfect for city streets and rough mountain trails. And since both wheels are fitted with disc brakes, you can basically stop it at any situation on time. Very safe. Another highlight for the Fiido M1 is the foldability. I gotta say, the thing is heavy. It weighs 25 kilograms. With that being said, the foldability doesn't contribute that much to the portability, but you know, at least it saves some space when in a narrow space like a bus or an elevator. To be honest, I can really go on and on about how much I like about this Fiido M1, like the stylish cool yet rugged design, the Shimano 7-speed external gears, which made for a smoother and more comfortable ride, but I will just leave it to you to explore more when you have it. To conclude, I gotta say, I'm really impressed by how it performs. If you're looking for a durable all-weather, all-terrain, and extreme from outdoor transportation with a decent amount of speed and power, and that's also environmentally friendly, this Fiido M1 electric bike should be right at the top of your shopping list. Comparing to a normal bike, you can choose either pedal assist mode or pure electric mode, and then let the motor do the work and you relax and enjoy the ride. Comparing to a normal e-scooter, Fiido M1 offers a safer and more powerful riding experience. It can go up the steep slopes that will be impossible for other scooters. And most importantly, when it's run out of battery, you can still easily pedal home without any big deal. But for an e-scooter, it won't allow you to do that. Alright, that's a video. For more about the Fiido M1, you can check out the link in the description or on the screen. We have duty free for quite a few countries. If your country is not on the list, don't worry, I've set a quite a big coupon for you. Make sure to check it out. I'm Sammy. See you next time.